Welcome to SPARKies. Let's learn about Excel's Flash Fill and Fill Series tools in 3 minutes or less. Flash Fill can sense a pattern and automatically fill in your data. With Fill Series, you can quickly list weekdays, months, and more. Let's start with Flash Fill. We can combine the first and last names from 2 separate columns into one. In a new column to the right of the existing data, simply type the name as you'd like it to appear, then enter. From the Data tab, click on the icon for Flash Fill, and the entire column will autofill with data in the new format. You can also pull just one part of the data from a cell. Let's pull just the first name. Type the information you want to see in the first cell of the new column. This time we'll use the keyboard shortcut Control-E to fill in the rest of the list. You can combine the columns in any format, even with a comma. If we want last name, comma first name, type the first name on the list, enter, then Control-E. This tool can also be used to remove unwanted spaces within a cell. Just type the content properly, enter, and Control-E. Now let's look at Fill Series. Start by clicking on the cell with the first date in your series. You'll notice a small green box appears in the lower right corner of the cell. When you hover over the box, your cursor will turn into a plus sign. Right-click on the plus, drag down, and select Fill Weekdays. You can do the same to list months. As before, click on the small green box until your cursor becomes a plus, then right-click and drag. This time, choose Fill Months. That's all there is to it. If you have any questions about these fill tools, contact your digital integration specialist.